Hey everyone, I'm Katie Alyce and I'm going to be teaching you how to belly dance. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to do a hip snap. If you like today's video, feel free to subscribe to get your weekly belly dance tutorials, and also like and comment below if there's any videos you'd like to see. So, find a place to practice, grab your favorite hip scarf, and let's get going. So we'll start by taking our feet hip width apart, and we'll roll our shoulders back, chest open, and we'll have our hips slightly tucked under, just so it supports our lower back. And we'll begin. So for our hip snap, what we want to do is imagine that we're trying to grip a pencil in between our waist. So we're really squeezing one side of our hip up. At the same time, one hip is going to be pushing down. Then we're going to change sides. So imagine now the left side is going to be squeezing this pencil and the right hip is going to push down. You'll notice that your knees bend, and that's absolutely fine. So when the hip pushes down, the knee will bend and the other one will stay straight. So to get the snap in the hip snap, what we want to do is just make that more of an accented movement. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Really make sure you're squeezing with one side and pushing with the other. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I want you to do is make sure that your feet stay flat on the ground. No cheating with lifting up heels. So pushing down, squeezing up. Okay, and pushing the hip down. Squeeze the hip up and squeeze one down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add the snap. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And slow. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work. That was great, everyone, and don't forget to tune in for next week's belly dance tutorial.